Today's video is sponsored by Greta. Select your second clip, duplicate it and bring it on top. Right-click on it, and select to change clip speed. Check the freeze frame box, and hit the change button. Move it on top of the first clip, trim it down to 8 frames, and make sure the end point is aligned with the end of the first clip. Right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a merge node after your clip. Bring a polygon mask in empty space, and draw around the part that you want to cut out. Connect it to your clip, and check the invert box. Select the merge node, and add a transform node after. Right-click to the size slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the offset value to 1, and check the invert box. Change the source to duration, set the curve to easing, and the in and out to sine. Go back to the Tools tab, and move the pivot position to center your cut. Now you can go to the Modifiers tab again, and increase the scale value to 50, or whatever will make the cut to cover the entire screen. Back to the Tools tab again, right-click to the Angle slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, set the curve to easing, and the in and out to sine. Check the invert box, and change the scale value to 90. Now you have the base of the transition, but if you want to make it better, bring a background node in empty space, and choose a gray color. Duplicate the polygon mask node, and connect this second one to the background node. Uncheck the invert box and the solid box. Increase the border width to your liking, and slightly increase the soft edge slider. Connect the background node to the merge node as a foreground. Bring a soft glow node after the background. Adjust the glow slider to your liking, and pick a color for your glow. In case that you want to add more lines, just add another polygon mask after your current mask, draw around the part that you want, uncheck the solid box, and increase the border width and the soft edge sliders. Go back to the edit page, and your transition is ready. You can increase or decrease the size of the masked clip to adjust the duration of the transition. Just make sure to align the end of the masked clip to the end of the first clip. If you like this clip, but you are too lazy, you can buy my pack, save some time, and make me a billionaire.